Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Financeable. Today, in this video, let's learn about how to reset your password on PNC Bank online banking. So let's get started. At first, let's get into any browser and search for PNC Bank and click on this first website over here. And on the top right, we can see this sign in option. Simply tap on this. Now enter your user ID and click on forgot ID or password here. Now enter your user ID again and enter last 4 digits of your social security number. And if you do not have your social security number, then simply tick mark over here and you can enter your passport number as well. And also enter your full PNC account number here. And once you are done, simply click on next. After which, the verification about your information will be done. Once the verification is completed, we'll get into next step, that is creating your new password. Once you enter your new password, we'll get into the login page again and simply enter your username and your new password to log in to PNC online banking. So this is all we can do to reset our PNC online banking password. So this is all. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.